Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this BMW F45. This is the 2 Series 2015, 16. And I'm just going to show you how you can replace your front wiper blades. In this case I'm not really changing them, but I'm going to show you how you can remove them and get some new ones and fit them. So in this case, if you just pull the arm out and you press on this little clip here and bring the wiper blade sort of that way. So you press the little clip and bring this out like so, and that will slide out. And I'm just being a little bit careful because if you drop the arm, if you drop this metal arm onto your windscreen, it will crack. So if you're working with two hands, it's a lot easier. So here's the blade, and you get your new ones. One side is longer, so in this case the driver's side is longer than the passenger side here in the UK. So you get your new one and just slide it in there, and that should hopefully slide in there without many issues. So I say, right. Okay, let me just, right. There we are. Slides and clicks in. So again, a lot easier with two hands, but it's not a difficult one. It's fairly simple. So that's pretty much it. So I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.